Ladies and gentlemen, if you're sitting here today, you're likely already thinking about your future, specifically how you can achieve financial freedom. But what if I told you that the decisions you make today, right now, could shape the rest of your life? What if you could start building wealth in your 20s and 30s and enjoy the rewards for decades to come? You don't need to wait for some perfect moment or rely on luck. You can start now, and it doesn't require you to be a financial expert. The first thing I want you to know is this: no one has ever become wealthy by accident. The road to financial independence is paved with smart decisions, time, and patience, but it's more than that. It's about being proactive, learning the right strategies, and taking action. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most essential things to consider when it comes to investing in 2025, particularly for those of us in our 20s and 30s, because let's face it, this is when you have the most power to change your financial future. Let's start with a bold idea. Imagine you could double, triple, or even quadruple your money. Not next year, but in the next decade. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But here's the secret. With the right strategy and mindset, this is entirely possible. You see, investing isn't about catching the next big stock pick or having some inside information. It's about making calculated, informed decisions that compound over time. So where do you start? How do you even begin to think about investing with everything that's going on in the world? In a world full of uncertainty, inflation, interest rates, and the rising cost of living, especially here in the US and Canada, how can we navigate all of this to come out on top? First, let's talk about the simplest yet most powerful concept in investing: time. You have something most people in their 40s or 50s wish they had more of: time to let your investments grow. The earlier you start, the better. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, your money will compound and grow. It's like planting a seed today that will bear fruit for you tomorrow. And guess what? It's easier than you think to get started. One of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time is through a diversified investment portfolio. This means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You should have a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Now, some of you may be thinking, but what if the market crashes? What if I lose everything? Here's where the power of diversification comes in. When one sector of the market is down, others may be up. For example, tech stocks might struggle in a particular year, but real estate might do well. Bonds can serve as a cushion, providing a level of stability in a turbulent market. By spreading your investments across multiple asset classes, you significantly reduce the risk of losing everything. Now let's talk about some specific investment vehicles that could work well for you. If you're just starting out, low-cost index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are an excellent place to begin. These funds track the performance of a broad market index, like the S&P 500, which represents a large chunk of the US economy. They give you exposure to hundreds, even thousands of companies without having to pick individual stocks. The best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. You can invest in an ETF with as little as $100. Over time, the market tends to go up and your money follows. But let's not get too comfortable yet. The next thing you need to think about is your risk tolerance. What does that mean? Well, risk tolerance is simply how much risk you're willing to take on with your investments. If you're 25, you may be willing to take on more risk, investing in higher risk, higher reward stocks or emerging markets. By the time you're 35, your risk tolerance may start to decrease as you approach more long-term goals, like buying a house or preparing for retirement. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you decide where to put your money and how aggressive or conservative you should be in your investment strategy. So we've covered the basics of diversification and risk tolerance, but let's zoom in on another topic: real estate. The housing market in both the US and Canada has been a hot topic for years, and while prices in some areas have soared, the opportunity for smart real estate investments is still very much alive. You don't need to buy an entire building to get involved in real estate. Real estate investment trusts are an accessible way for people in their 20s and 30s to gain exposure to real estate without actually buying property. These are publicly traded companies that own or finance real estate projects, and they offer a way to invest in commercial or residential real estate without the heavy lifting of managing a property. All right, let's pause here for a moment and talk about something critical: emotional discipline. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're in this for the long haul, you're going to face moments of doubt, fear, and maybe even regret. Markets go up and down, but the key is to stay the course. Think about it. The world's greatest investors, like Warren Buffett, have become wealthy not because they're smarter than anyone else, but because they've stuck to their strategies through the ups and downs. They don't panic when markets drop. They don't chase the latest trends. And they certainly don't make emotional decisions. They keep calm, stay disciplined, and let their investments grow over time. Here's a hook for you. Imagine being financially free in your 40s. That could be your reality if you start taking action today. What would you do with your time? Travel? Build your dream business? Focus on passions that bring you joy instead of worrying about your next paycheck. Investing is your ticket to achieving that freedom, but only if you start now. By now, you may be wondering, what else can I do to maximize my investments and build wealth? Well, here's a game changer: tax advantage accounts. Both the US and Canada offer various tax-saving options for young investors. In the US, think about contributing to your 401k or an IRA. These accounts allow you to invest your money and defer taxes until retirement. In Canada, RRSPs and TFSAs are your go-to accounts. These allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning more money in your pocket over time. Take full advantage of these accounts, especially if your employer offers matching contributions to your 401k. That's free money. Now let's fast forward 10 years. You've stayed disciplined, diversified your portfolio, contributed to tax advantage accounts, and kept your emotions in check. You've watched your wealth grow, and now you're sitting on top of a solid financial foundation. The road wasn't always easy, but you're in control. And that's the beauty of investing. You have the power to shape your financial future. Here's the final hook. What are you waiting for? The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is the action you take today. Start with what you know, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. But most importantly, the sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see the results. So whether it's $50 a month or $500, start now and let your wealth grow. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in wealth building. If you start investing in your 20s, you have decades ahead of you to take advantage of compounding. Compounding is when your investments earn not only interest or dividends on the original amount you invest, but also on the gains you've already accumulated. It's like a snowball effect. Small contributions that seem insignificant at first can multiply into large sums as time passes. For example, if you invest $100 every month starting at age 25, by the time you're 35, that money will have had 10 years to grow. If you keep investing regularly, the impact becomes exponential as you add more funds and the accumulated earnings continue to compound. The beauty of compounding is that it rewards patience. In the early years, it may feel like your contributions aren't making a big impact, but as the years go by, those small investments start growing much faster. In fact, the majority of your wealth will come from compounding during the latter years of your investment journey. Even if you can only contribute a small amount each month, starting early gives you the opportunity to build wealth slowly and steadily without having to make risky or high-stakes decisions. The key takeaway: don't wait to start. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building lasting wealth. Diversification is one of the most fundamental principles of investing, and it's crucial for managing risk effectively. It involves spreading your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities like gold. The idea is simple. By not putting all your money into one investment, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one sector or asset class performs poorly. For example, while stocks might experience volatility, bonds often provide more stability, and real estate can act as a hedge against inflation. Diversification helps smooth out the inevitable ups and downs of the market by ensuring that if one part of your portfolio is underperforming, other assets may be doing well, helping to balance overall returns. When you invest in a range of different assets, you are less vulnerable to market fluctuations. This doesn't mean you won't experience losses, but the overall impact on your portfolio is less severe because your money is spread out. For instance, during a market downturn, your stock investments may lose value, but your real estate or bond investments could hold steady or even appreciate. As a young investor, it's important to find a mix of assets that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals, gradually increasing diversification as your portfolio grows. A well-diversified portfolio helps reduce risk while still allowing for steady growth, providing you with both stability and potential for returns. Tax advantage accounts are one of the most powerful tools young investors have at their disposal to grow wealth efficiently while minimizing the tax burden. In the US, accounts like 401ks and IRAs allow your investments to grow tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on your gains until you withdraw the money, typically in retirement. This delay allows your investments to compound without the drag of annual taxes. On the other hand, Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth, meaning you pay taxes on your contributions upfront, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Similarly, in Canada, RRSPs, registered retirement savings plans, and TFSAs, tax-free savings accounts, offer similar benefits. Contributions to an RRSP are tax-deferred, while TFSAs allow both growth and withdrawals to be tax-free. The key advantage of these accounts is that they help you keep more of your money working for you rather than giving it away in taxes. Contributing regularly to these accounts allows you to take full advantage of the tax benefits over time, which compounds the impact on your overall wealth. It's important to treat these accounts as long-term savings vehicles, especially for retirement, and make consistent contributions to maximize their benefits. While it might be tempting to prioritize short-term spending, consistently contributing to these accounts will give you the best chance of building a sizable nest egg with significant tax savings. Starting early and staying disciplined with your contributions is critical for making the most of these accounts and ensuring financial security in the future.